So I'm back to try and pick another lock, and it's a Union Yale type lock, and as per usual I'm going to try and give it a cheeky rake open first just to see how we get on, and that's just a case of get the bogey in there. The pick is moving the tension tool. And try the other end, maybe a bit thicker. No, that one's not working. There we go. So we got that raked with the right tension tool. And that didn't take too long. So that was with the Peterson bogey. I'm not sure if I'd get the same results with one of my honest rakes. Let's give it a go. So I've got one of my honest rakes now, it's a number 6. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to use the serrated ends just to have a fiddle about in there. It's easy to rake into a big false set. No, not getting nothing from there. Oh, there we go. So we got it in with the honest as well, and that tension tool is a bit loose in there, so I was quite fortunate enough to get that open like that. So yeah, that's raked open with the Peterson bogey and one of the honest set, the honest number 6. Okay.